Hey guys, Mike Martins here with the Mike Martins channel, reporting from Fisherman's Wharf in downtown San Francisco. Walking around the city for 3, 4, 5 days, I've been realizing something. And I see it a lot in my cities or my towns in Canada, but I'm not seeing it here in San Francisco. Where the heck are all the LGBTQ007 V177 QRT flags? I took note of that a few days ago, that no matter where I'm going in this town, you see a lot of American flags in the city of San Francisco. You see a lot of American flags, and you see a lot of patriotic America first, we support our president in San Francisco. Where are all the flags, and where are all the stickers in the windows? You know what I'm talking about. If you live in Canada, you got all these stickers in the windows in Canada. You see them all over the place. Where are the stickers here? Where are they? In Canada, they're blatantly in your face. Where are all the flags? Where are all the flags, stickers, propaganda, flyers? Not seeing anything here. Even inside for sale. Nothing. They are selling something. They are projecting something. Anyways, there's music coming up ahead. You will not find a single flag. And for the record, guys, I did find 2 flags. They were outside of bars in the entertainment slash district, bar district in San Francisco. I did find two flags. But what about here in downtown? In Canada, you'd have them all over the place, all over buildings. Not a single. Look at the flags. State of California flag. Here in Fisherman's Wharf. Where? Applebee's, where is it? Where are the flags? Where are the stickers? Look. We could be here for... Look at this. Where are all the LGBTQWXYZ flags? In Canada, it'd be all over the windows, it'd be all over the buildings, it'd be all over the schools, it's everywhere. Here, I mean, I could walk this entire thing for you guys, and you don't see a rooftop flag, a sticker in the window. I could keep walking this all friggin' day for you guys. I did find a place with flags, but they were country flags. Different countries. So why? Why now? I did a bit of research. I normally don't, but I did. And I found out that a lot of this street, when it's been photographed and it's being sent out by media, or they want to media it out, like through Today in San Francisco, whatever, and they want to show some images of this area or areas in the area, they Photoshop in the LGBTQW479 flags. It's all propaganda. That's how they're dividing us. But here, look. Nothing. Zero. Look. Look in the windows. Look. Every window in Canada that I know of shops and stuff, they have LGBT flags on every window. But here, for some reason, it's not here. Just here with the family folks, enjoying this time. It is beautiful. It is pretty dead, though. There's not a lot of people out and about. It is very good weather here today. There it is. Fisherman's Wharf. Where are the flags? So yep, I don't see a damn thing here. So, I'll give you guys an example. If you're in Canada, you would have something like there on the bottom corner window by the door, like most businesses have in Canada. You would see that, right? Look at that. Look at that. And I noticed this walking through the city, and I noticed, you know, this is like the gay capital of America, but where's all the pride? Where's it? Where's the pride hiding? Not a damn thing. All over, all those streets. I've documented and I have them on video for you guys. I did about 60-70 blocks for you guys of just panoramic city views of the city up and down. And yeah, I don't. Normally there'd be one up there in Canada. Up there. It'd be all over the windows. You'd probably have t-shirts of it here, but you don't have any here, right? You'd have all kinds of stuff, but you don't. Oh wow, look at this. Beautiful historical murals. I don't see a damn thing, man. I don't see a damn thing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this walk with me. Oh yeah, poop. Still haven't seen any poop on the ground. So, if this was Canadian City District tourist area, there'd be poop everywhere, homeless everywhere. It'd be a disaster in Canadian cities. Anywhere you go, outside of stadiums, outside of subway areas, like it's infested in Canada. Like every square block is infested. I'm not saying here is you got your Skid Row here, but it's so far away and so removed from where the average person even goes, right? So, watch out, guys. There's a car coming out. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Look forward to reading your comments. And there's Aliato. So, I hope I got my point across, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Just trying to decode this. Make sense. Just trying to make sense of what is going on here. Because if this district was in Canada, it'd be painted gay. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Look forward to reading your comments below. Mike Martin's here. I have spoken.